According to the following equation, how many liters of oxygen are necessary for the combustion of 425 grams of sulfur, assuming that the reaction occurs at STP? So first you have to do this formula here. Hold on. M over mm, which is molar mass. This is to find the moles. So what you do, you put the 425 since that's the mass, and then you find the molar mass of sulfur, which is 32.065.
You are doing well. You're doing well. Continue. You're doing well.
The answer for this is 13.254. Once you find this, you have to put in
Where is your unit? Your unit. If you say 13.254, you should put the unit. That gives you more marks. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so you can continue.
So since it asks for oxygen, which is over here, and then sulfur, which is this part, what it would be is
That's 1 mole ratio. Yeah, continue. You are doing very well.
1 equals 1,
Okay.
which is then 13.254 equals X.
No, that's not true. The question says how many liters of oxygen.
Wait.
So it has changes right now. You are doing very well. You are doing very well, Andrew.
Yeah. What you're supposed to do, you're supposed to multiply by 22.4.
No. Remember they said how many liters of oxygen, right? So this 13.254 should be in where X is already.
Wait. No, it's like this.
Okay, please don't make mistake next time, right? Correct yourself on time.
X equals 13.254.
Okay, remember you have to cross multiply.
X equals 13.254.
Yes. Moles of what? Oxygen, right?
Yeah.
Yes. That's good. Continue, Andrew. You're almost there.
Once you find this, you have to do multiplying by 22.4.
Why are you multiplying by 22.4?
Because the formula dictates that it's supposed to be N equals volume over 22.
You are very, very correct. Andrew, thumbs up for you. You are doing very well. Thank you.